Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talwishes. I'm here with another Halloween look, and we're going to do spiders. Yes, so we're going to do spiders. Spiders is our next Halloween look for the Halloween festivities. So I want you to just stay tuned to see how I get this look completed. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment when you're through. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's begin, guys. Alright, so as I said before, we're doing a spider look. So on one eye, I'm gonna create like a mother spider, and then on the other, I'll do a web and some baby spiders. For creating the spiders, we're going to use the face paint and the James Charles palette. In the James Charles palette, we're going to use the shade No Beam along with Spooky, and No Beam is like a deep brown and Spooky is black. And I was thinking to use the Boutique, but I changed from that because the No Beam was actually dark. I was going to use the Beanie, sorry, and I realized that the No Beam is really deep. And then from there, to transition everything out, I'm going to use the shade 10% off, and it's really a light brown, which does work for this look. All right. So the same look that you see on that eye, we're going to put it on the other eye, and then we're going to start off with our mama spider. So we're going to use the white liner. The white liner is a guide to draw the spider legs, so that will help us to draw his legs properly and to guide us how to do his foot. And then we'll go over it with the black face paint and a fine brush. So we're using the face paint as a guide. So where the white liner is, we're going to draw two lines on each side of the leg, so one on the left, one on the right, because what we need to do is to shade in those areas, which is going to, some areas going to shade black, and where the legs are connect will shade in white. So that's why the white line is the best guideline to help you to guide your feet, legs, whatever the spider have, and that will help you to correct any mistake that you might have. Also, it's good to use the eyeliner, liquid liner, or a pencil. Pencil will be good for beginners, so you can easily draw the line rather than using a fine paintbrush, because it is more sturdy. With the pencil, you actually can make mistakes and easy correction. You also want to make sure that when you're creating the legs, you have each area like there's a connection. So for a spider, it has like a 3 connection to one leg, something like that. And so each area you make a 3, so it looks more real like. So we have finished creating the legs area. Now for the connection, where the connection of the legs, that's where we're going to color the area with some white, so it gives you that illusion of the legs, and you see what I'm talking about. Also, and then shade the remaining areas in black. So the spider is actually coming alive based on the white and the black effect, the colors that we're using. So continue to watch to see how I get it 3D. Alright, so to create that 3D effect, where the leg is, where the light is shining, then you'll create a shadow behind that. With the shadow, you're going to use like a black shadow and a brush, but you're going to lightly stroke it behind the legs, and then you're going to, wherever you start, you're going to follow the pattern of the leg and then connect it to the end of the leg, and then you'll see what I'm talking about, and like create that illusion. So on the other eye, we're going to create a small spider web for the baby spiders. With this, you just draw a line connected to like a V, and then the small lines, you can do a curve or a V. I mostly did a V because based on what I was going for, but a definite look would go for the curve. And then we'll have a web light going down where this baby spider will be hanging from. So we didn't drew the baby spider, we actually had some baby spiders, so what I use is some eyelash glue and just paste it there all over. Okay guys, so this is the look where we have the mama spider and the baby spider, but what we're going to do to finish this look is put in some contacts and see how this looks in the end. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went off camera to put on some black contacts as well as some lashes. Let me know in the comment section below what you think or what you thought of this look. Also on your screen you will see some suggested videos that you can watch if you haven't already watched them, and also ensure to subscribe and spread this to your friends and family. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.